Thank you so much for being here today. What we're introducing is Visual Meta. The problem addressed is academic PDFs lack access to digital affordances beyond the web link. The aim is to give academic PDFs metadata to enable rich interaction, views, and robust citing. Our approach is to add a few words to an appendix. Most books have a bit of bibliographic and other metadata in the front. Excuse me. PDFs generally do not. So what we've done is taken what was on the front, and as you will see in your own papers from this conference, we've added that plus some more at the back of the document on the same level visually and structurally as the main text of your document. It's inspired by BibTeX, so it may look familiar to a lot of you. Very simple structure. It starts with Visual Meta start, ends with Visual Meta end. Inside we have wrappers. For example, a header which says what software and organization created this, and a self-citation which is actual BibTeX. It is the BibTeX that you would normally find on the download page of this document. We also have introductory text, so anyone in whatever period of time in the future can get value out of this. It explains in plain English what this actually is. So this is the components of the ACM Hypertext 21 Visual Meta. And if I collapse the document, you can see that that's a subsection of the full Visual Meta. The full Visual Meta will start with a document hash to describe exactly what that document is to make sure we're talking about the right document. We jump down to the extension section and open that to first author details. It provides unambiguous names and accessible contact info for that kind of information that people want to be made aware of, such as email addresses and so on. It can also feature the entire list of references in the document in a structured format for robust citing. It can have the headings to show which are helpful with folding and finding. It can provide an interactive glossary based on concept mapping while writing. And of course, interactive endnotes. And this is anything goes. You can do anything you want inside the custom section as long as you explain what it is so that others, AI or human reading this, can parse it. We're also experimenting with putting the entire document there for analysis and formatting. I mean the entire document text because PDFs are not great for structured information. And then after the end, we have an errata on a separate page, which is almost like putting a sheet of paper in a document in the olden days, saying what changes have been made. So it's attached to the document, but it's not overwriting the document. Current implementations include a growing citations timeline by Adam and Mark. We can copy and paste as a citation from a PDF to a word processor as shown here, where what is pasted is a full citation. This is implemented in our author and reader software, which also has fold, find, endnotes, and interactive glossary with concept mapping. It's available from augmentedtext.info. They're both free, but author costs a little bit to enable export. If you get in touch with me, I'll be very happy to give you a free license, of course. Excuse me. Benefits. Advanced interactions while reading, as you saw, the folding, clicking on citations to get full reference information, and much more. Augmented citing. Copy and paste for robust citing. It enables computational text. You can have maths and equation in there, anything you like, and you can specify that this is interactive. Server surfacing. What a reader software on a desktop can see, a server can also see, so they can take advantage of having access to the structured knowledge in the PDF. It's legacy safe and free, open and easy to implement. It's just text in a PDF reader, and anybody can manually type it, or they can use software and develop software to produce it from the manuscript. Finally, it's robust. It can be printed, scanned, OCR'd, and nothing is lost. In closing, this is a Future of Text initiative along with the Future of Text book and symposium. BintSurf's October ACM Communications article will feature Visual Meta. Other conferences and journals are in the works. However, please think about what you can do with Visual Meta. And thank you to the Visual Meta team. Thank you for your time, and please look at visual-meta.info for more information, and you can find me if you have questions on Twitter @Liquidizer.